Now on video. If it's excitement you want, thrills you seek, action you crave, then remember, adventure does have a name. Indiana Jones.
Let her go.
And now you can see him like you never have before.
You call this archaeology?
Digitally remastered by THX. And for the first time, available in both standard and widescreen editions. And featuring all new interviews with George Lucas, Steven Spielberg, and Harrison Ford.
I'm going after that truck.
How? I don't know. I'm making this up as I go.
Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade.
Dad! What? Dad! What?
And introducing for the first time on video, The Adventures of Young Indiana Jones.
Hang on!
12 feature-length adventures starring Sean Patrick Flannery, each with a special introduction by George Lucas. Together, they're the complete adventures of Indiana Jones.
I hate snakes, Chuck! I hate them!
Junior!
Dr. Jones!
Indy. Jones!
I like Indiana.
We named the dog Indiana.
Now available on video.
Trust me.